this is how you can load plugins very quick. All right, so some of you may do this and then you try to find the plugin. I'm like, yo, where is the Torque? Where is Torque? I'm looking for a plugin called Torque. I can't find it. Where is Torque? Instead of pressing F8 on the keyboard for the plugin picker, because who honestly will find their plugin here? Oh, look, Torque. Okay, well, ignore the fact that I just found Torque just like that. But instead of using plugin picker where you can barely find stuff, easily go to any of the slots that you want. Let's say slot 7 because it's 7. You can know by the arrow going down. On your mouse, just middle click. All you got to do now is tap T-O-R, Torque right here. Bam. Or let's say I want Arturia, A-R-T. There you go, Arturia on the vendor side. Sweet, native, cool. Let's say I want Doubler, D-O-U-B. There's Doubler. Anything you want just by middle clicking. So instead of going here and then I'm like, yo, where is Arturia? Up in here. And cool, that's all I got, really. Sometimes look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plugins I have in the Arturia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So apparently I do have more plugins here that I didn't even organize. And there you go. You just double click it, it's in there. Same thing could be applied over here. You may be like, yo, what the hell? That's just renaming. Go to this plus icon here, middle click. Bam, just like that. Now, unfortunately, if you've been watching this far and you're on your MacBook, you're like, yo, what the hell? I can't do it. Even with a mouse, just go to Windows. I don't know why, but FL Studio is not that situated in Mac just yet. Fear not, you can still do the same stuff. Just click, go to more plugins. There it is. Click, more plugins. You can see up here. There it is. One more thing I want to mention. You notice these stars right here? These will allow you to get a quicker access in this drop-down menu right here. It's underneath the none in this case. So let's say I want to add Doubler here, right? So I just go ahead, middle click, Doubler, and I want 2 and 4. Why not? Just favorite them. And if I go back, you can see Doubler 2, Doubler 4. Unfortunately, for the generator side, we can favorite some of these plugins as long as it's image line, like Drum Max, FL Key, Mobile. Right click, insert, see FL Key, Drum Max, and then Mobile. But if I were to do something that's not in FL Studio, let's say Nexus, Omnisphere, Orchestral, Pandora, none of them are showing up. So that is something that FL Studio does have to work on the Windows side. But there is a workaround for that. So for the generators, we're going to want to open the browser. I'm hitting Alt F8 here. And let's go ahead and load up a plugin. All right, in the browser plugin, go under generators right here. You can see this is the exact thing over here. If I right click and go to insert, that is this right here. You can see Drum Max, FL Key, Mobile. All you could do is click here, say preset as, right? Click and drag. And you can see Nexus is right there. So now if we were to go ahead and right click, insert, you'll see Nexus is down there. So that's the workaround for that part. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And actually, if you want to learn how to organize your plugins like how I have it here, you can go ahead and click this video right here in this corner. And don't forget to, kiss your mom and tell her you love her and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying?